Happy Columbus Day. So Christopher Columbus lived in Spain over 500 years ago. When he was a young boy, he liked to look at the ocean and dream of sailing a ship. He wanted to be an explorer and discover new lands by sailing a ship across the ocean. When he grew up, he became a sailor. He wanted to find a faster way to get to Asia, to get spices, which were very precious and expensive. So spices were kind of like gold. They wanted that. That's what he wanted to try to find and get. Columbus asked the king and the queen of Spain to help him. They wanted to help him and gave him 3 ships so Columbus could make the trip across the ocean to find the spices. These boats were called the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. Do you guys remember that from the video this morning? Yeah.
Not really.
Columbus and his crew set sail for Asia across the Atlantic Ocean. They had to be very brave because the trip was long, the weather was stormy, and they were running out of food. Now, there's a little song that goes, in 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. So there's a little song and it's a little saying. So that if you can remember this, you'll remember the year that Christopher Columbus sailed the ocean, which was what year, guys?
1492.
1492. Okay, so we'll do the song in a minute. But when Columbus and his crew finally found land, it was not Asia. They discovered America, a land that most people did not know about yet. Columbus and his crew met the Taino people who lived on the land. Now, these people are like Native Americans. So, we have come to find out that Christopher Columbus was not actually the first person to our country, to America. It was actually the Native Americans that were here first. But at that time, Christopher Columbus believed he was the first one to make it to, he thought it was Asia, but it was actually America. So that's why we kind of celebrate today, is to recognize his hard work and for finding America for the people that were in the European countries like Spain. Christopher Columbus is remembered on Columbus Day every year in October, and it's always the second Monday in October. So today is the second Monday, because the 5th, last Monday, was the first Monday, as being a brave explorer who discovered new land. So we remembered him as being brave, okay? And I'm going to show you the song that goes with this. And hopefully you'll get it stuck in your head so that you will remember which year Christopher Columbus sailed the ocean blue.
Oh, Columbus sailed the ocean in 1492 with the Nina and the Pinta and the Santa Maria too. Oh, Columbus found America in 1492 with the Nina and the Pinta and the Santa Maria too. On October 12th, we remember Columbus sailed the ocean blue with the Nina and the Pinta and the Santa Maria too.
This is for preschool. No, it isn't. No, it isn't.
Guys.
I want to watch it again.
Okay, so what year did Christopher Columbus sail the ocean blue? Everybody?
1492.
1492. 1492. And what were the names of the 3 ships? Raise your hand if you can remember. Braylon, what was one of them?
Nina.
Okay. What was another one, Tyson?
I forgot.
Okay. How about Riley? Brooklyn? Santa Maria. And Lewis, what was the 3rd one?
Burrito.
No?
What? I forgot the name, but I know it is.
The Nina,
No.
Santa Maria, and that starts with a P.
Pinta.
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 Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to give you a Christopher Columbus packet, and we're going to work on this for about maybe like 15 minutes before we do Riley's All About Me board. And then we will not get it done now. We will finish it at the end of today, okay? So let me go through this packet with you so you know what you need to work on, okay? Question, Brooklyn. Is it about this?
Yes. Like you said, like he's the first one to leave North America, like where we live, the Indians, one of my dad's got Indians, so he's like what is it? So he was a very little, but
He probably wasn't around 500 years ago, but his family was
Yes.
probably, right? Is that what you're meaning to say? Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna do this Christopher Columbus packet on the front. It says Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus is the explorer who is given credit for discovering the Americas in 1492. Columbus Day is celebrated on the second Monday each October. And then at the bottom, you have a spot for your name. So right away when you get your packet, you'll put your name on it. Then, you could fill in the blank. So here are your words up here. 3 Atlantic, Explorer, Compass, Bahamas, and Indians. Another name for American Indians, or Native Americans, is Indians. Even though they don't really like that name, they'd rather be called Native Americans. Sometimes they are still called Indians. So you could read that and put in the missing word. For example, the first one says Christopher Columbus was a famous, what do you guys think? Sailor would be a choice, but is that a choice up there? Explorer. So you would keep reading it and fill in the correct answer. On this one, I know it's upside down, you will turn your packet, but you would find where the water is, where's the flag, where's Columbus, where's the ship, where's the sail, and where's the window. So you're labeling the diagram. Okay? On this next one, you're labeling Christopher Columbus. Where's his hat? Where's his globe? Where's his telescope? Where's his map? Where's his jacket? And where is Columbus?
He's wearing it.
Okay?
He just wearing it.
So what you do is, there's his hat. It's pointing to his hat, so you would just label it right here, hat. So you're labeling the diagram. Okay? On this one, it's putting the words in ABC order. So find the words over here and put them in ABC order. Now, this one you guys will like. It's a word search. I know you guys will like that one. This one is, it's called an acrostic poem. And what you have to do is you have to write things that start with the letters that are over here, but they have to do with Columbus. So number 1, C. I know Pat starts with a C, but is that about Christopher Columbus? No. So Ingrid, can you think of something that starts with Christopher Columbus, about Christopher Columbus that starts with a C? I'll come back to you. Kinsley, can you? Ooh, sailing. Guess what? That's a really good one. But it's an S. You're right. So Mrs. Murphy's going to put that one under the S. So Mrs. Murphy's going to find the S. And Kinsley said sailing. And what I can do is I can sound out the word sailing. And you can just put, like, the S is there, sailing.
I think this is how you
Raylan, do you have one? Okay. Addie, do you have one?
Christopher.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking that for the C too. Christopher.
I was thinking cat.
Or cap, or his hat. I have a really good one for O. Elias,
Can you color it though?
when you're done. Yep. Lewis,
I know. I got something for you.
oh, what do you have?
Matt.
A map or map?
Matt. M-A-T-T.
Okay, is that a name?
Matt.
Like whose name is it? Okay, but that's a really good idea, but does that have to do with Christopher Columbus though?
No.
Probably not. But Mrs. Murphy kind of said one that I thought would work.
Matt.
A map.
I have a good one for O1.
Now, does octopus have anything to do maybe with Christopher Columbus?
No. In the sea.
Well, it is in the sea though, or the ocean. Is that what you guys were gonna say? Ocean. Oh, I have a good one for L. Land. He wanted to go find land.
Those are all my ideas.
Addie.
I'm trying to find one for the A, but I can't.
It's hard. Some of them are hard. And sometimes you might have to skip it and come back to it too.
Atlantic.
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 Good job. Okay. I'll do a couple more. John?
You could have, by the A, you could have found Africa.
Africa or Asia? He was trying to find Asia, wasn't he?
America.
Or America, because he did find America. Those would all work. Kinsley,
Why is there two U's?
because Columbus has two U's. And that's going to be a hard one to find, isn't it? Yeah. Ellie,
At a beach, you can do but.
do what?
But. On the beach.
Like B-U-T, like butt?
B-U-T-T.
Like what does that have to do with Christopher Columbus? I'm just kind of curious.
Like a B-U-T-T. Nothing.
Oh, we want to have it to do Christopher Columbus, remember? Okay, Lewis, last one.
It's like the B.
Okay, you keep thinking. So, you could start this. You might have to come back and you might not get it all finished. But you can try to do this. This is called a cross-stick poem, and we'll do more of these throughout the year. Okay, and the last one is just a fun writing one. I know it's sideways, but it says, if I were an explorer, what would you do? Okay? Question, Ingrid.